Welcome to our class 8 students. Today we are going to discuss the subject mathematics. Okay, and in this topic, in this video, we are going to discuss the comparison of the rational number and its examples. In the previous video, we have discussed that the rational number is there, irrational is there, integers is there, and that real number is there, and how to represent the numbers on the number line. We have discussed that how to represent. We have taken 0 as my first reference point. Okay, we called it origin. Here if we take a equal distance over here, this is called as what? This is called 1, this is called 2, this is called 3, and here is what? -1, -2. We have discussed this, okay students, and how to draw that rational number on the number line. We have discussed this. You can watch that video, so you will get the knowledge about that. You will get the how to represent the numbers on the number line. So in this sections we are going to we are complete the topic. Completing the topic comparison of two rational numbers. Example. Okay, how to compare two rational numbers. So let's start the video. Okay students. So students, how to compare the two numbers? How to compare the two rational numbers? Okay. So when you consider two rational numbers, just compare which one is a bigger, which one is a lesser. Say for example, students, if you have 2 and 3, so answer is what? Which one is a bigger? Raise your hand. Give the answer in the comment box, students. If you have the two numbers, 2 and 3, which one is a bigger? So answer is what? 3. My 3 is bigger than 2. 3 is bigger than 2. Okay. So this 3 is bigger than 2. We can easily compare the two positive integers. If you have the hundreds and 98. So which one is the bigger? So obvious 100 is bigger than 90. But what about negative? Students, be aware about that. If you have positive number, we can easily compare. But if you have negative number like that, -2 and minus, or here we can take about -3 and -2. In this case, which one is the bigger, students? Give me the answer in the comment box, or you can give the answer in the WhatsApp group. Okay, which one is the bigger? -3 and -2. Which one is the bigger? So in that case, if we take the mod, it means if we're removing the negative, so which one is the closer to 0? Raise your hand. That should be in both are negative. Then how to conclude? How to say that one of these, which one is bigger? Then which one number is closer to 0? Tell me which number is closer to 0. If we have taken 0 over here, 1, 2, 3. Which one is the closer? So answer is what? This number is closer to what? 0. Okay students? Or here we are at 0, 1, 2, 3, minus. Which one is the closer to 0? Give me the answer in the comment box. So -2 is very close to 0 as compared to -3. Okay, -2 is very close to 0. So the number is negative number which is more closer to 0. So it will be bigger than that number. Okay, so here is a bigger number is what? -2 bigger than -3. So don't write, all the students don't write what? -3 bigger than -2. Actually we remove that, or we take the mod of that. So mod of that is what? 3 bigger than 2. In negative numbers, we have taken the opposite. -2 bigger than -3. If you have 3 bigger than 2, it means if we take the negative, then sign will change. Okay students, that's it means remember is what? My number is closer to 0. So that should be bigger than that number. Okay students. Say for example, another example is here. Say for example, 59 and what 100. So student, which one is bigger? Give me the answer in the comment box. So 100 is bigger than 59, and remember that this bigger number is what? These two ends. When number is bigger than 100 is bigger than 59, then we write as this. Okay. So students, if we have the in 100 and what 59, or in 59 and what 100, I have taken this. Then at the time, which one is the bigger, student? Give me the answer in comment box. If both are positive, then we are applying that rule. If both are negative, we can't apply that rule. If it is positive of that, positive of this, then 100 is bigger. But if it is minus 59 and 100, so which one is bigger? So which one is closer to 0? So answer is what? Minus 59. So this should be bigger than what? Minus 100. Okay, student. So remember that technique. Okay. So same technique when you apply the this is the what way whenever we have the numbers integers, we apply this rule for integers. Which integer is bigger than this integers? Then whenever we are dealing with the rational, then we are discussing the another rule. I understood that rule. What? 100 is bigger than 59, but if you take the negative of both, then sign will change. This greater should be converted into lesser. I am taking the reverse sign. Okay. Why? Because minus 59 and minus 100, my minus 59 is closer to 0. That's why we are taking minus 59 bigger than minus 100. Same rule we are discussing over here. Compare the given rational number. Okay. Okay, students. So students, we have to compare the two rational numbers. We have given the 6 example. So one by one we are going to deal with that. So first is what? In 3 and 5. We have number 3 and 5. So students, which one is bigger? In 3 and 5. So this is actually integers, but every integers we can say, write as a rational number. Suppose we have the 3. 3 can be written as 3 upon 1. So this should be matched rational. It means every integer is a rational. We can prove by we can prove this theorem also. Every integer is a rational number. So note down that. Okay, students. That's why 3 by 5 I have taken as a rational numbers. Okay, because every integer is a rational, every natural is a rational. Okay, because every numbers we can write as 3 upon 1. So 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. So it is of the form a upon b. Okay, that's why we taken as this as a rational numbers. Okay, so we have to compare that. Okay, so in 3 upon 5, which one is the bigger? So give me the answer in the comment box. Answer is what? 5 is bigger than 3. So first answer is we get first answer. Second, minus 3 and 5. Minus 3 and minus 5. So which one is the bigger, students? In minus 3 and minus 5, which one is the bigger? So I have already told that when my number is closer to 0. Which number is closer to 0? Minus 3 and minus 5. Which number is very close to 0? So my answer is what? Minus 3. So minus 3 bigger than minus 5. It means I am taking this as positive. Second time I am taking this as negative. This sign will be changes. Okay, greater will be changes into lesser. Okay, so in this way we can take whenever multiply this negative. Okay, so next is what? 3 by 2 and what we have what? 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So which one is the bigger? How to conclude that which number is bigger? 3 by 2 and what, students? 5 by 2. So in that, students, which one is bigger? So we have what? We have in 3 and 5, which one is bigger, student? So answer is what? 5. Okay. And we have what? 3 by 2. It means denominator here is 3. Also in 5 by 2 denominator is 2, both having same denominators. So students, remember that if you have the number like that a and b, and if you divide it, if a is b is greater than a, then if you divide something numbers and same number we have divided, whatever, if you enter 3 3, then sign will not change. But in multiplication, the sign will be changed. If you have a bigger than b bigger than a, so we can't. So the sign will be changed. Minus a bigger than minus b. Okay, students. If you have c bigger than d, if you have d bigger than c, and if you multiply the minus sign over here, the sign will change. But whenever if you multiply, divide the same number, then sign will does not change. So 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. So which one is bigger? 3 greater than 5. Okay. And we are dividing this by divide by 2. So what we get? 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. Which one will be bigger? So answer was 3 by 2 is lesser than 5 by 2. Okay, students. We have what? Since a b greater than a, then if you divide a divided any constant k, b divided by any constant k, sign will not change. Sign throughout the same. Okay, students. So student, next we have solving the question number 4. Okay, minus 3 by 2 and what? Minus 5 by 2. Okay, students. So we have what? In 3 by 2 and what? 5 by 2. Which one is a bigger? Give me the answer in the comment box. Which one is a bigger? So answer is what? We have discussed. We have discussed 5 by 2 bigger than 3 by 2. Okay. We have solved the question number 3. In that question number 3, 5 by 2 bigger than 3 by 2. So we have to what? We have taken the negative. Okay. So what in negative? If a is bigger than b, b is bigger than a, and then that implies what? Minus a should be less than minus b. Sign will be changed. Okay. So same happen. If we take minus 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. So give me the answer in the comment box. Which one is a bigger? Students, give me the answer in the comment box or WhatsApp group. Which one is a bigger? This is a greater, lesser, greater converted. Okay. Sign will change whenever taking the negative over here. Last two examples we are going to solve. So in 3 by 2 and 5 by 6, students, 3 by 2 and 5 by 6. In that case, which one is bigger? How to conclude? So denominator is not same. Okay, denominator here is a 2, here is a 6. It's not same. Then we can't conclude easily. So that's why we are taken what? We have what? 3 by 2 and what? 5 by 6. So which one is bigger? How to conclude? So take the cross multiplication. What is the cross multiplication? 3 into 6 is what? Something. And what? 5 into 2. We take the cross multiplication. 3 into 6 and what, student? 2 into 5. So what we get? We will end up on what? 18 and what? 10. So we get the integers. If we solve this, so we get the integers. So which one is the bigger, student? In 18 and 10, give me the answer in the comment box. Which one is bigger? So we will end up on, we can easily say 18 is bigger than 10. So this carry this symbol over here. So we get the 30 by 2 bigger than 5 by 6. And if you want, last questions. So if you have the minus 3 by 2 and what? Minus 5 by 6. So in that case, which one is the bigger? Which one is the bigger? So we have what? In 3 by 2 and 5 by 6. 3 by 2 bigger than 5 by 6. Then we are done. We have what, student? 3 by 2 bigger than 5 by 6. Okay. So in minus 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 6, which one is bigger? Just we have to take the negative of that. Okay. You have taken positive away, negative. So what? Sign will change. So that's okay. In this way, we are going to discuss the comparison of the rational numbers and its example You can solve the practice set 1.2, 1.1. In that example, in that practice set we have given that example. Okay, so you can solve easily. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you so much.